Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys a tip and tricks on how to make your own breaker bar. So we try to remove the rims that was on this 1991 Miata, and unfortunately previous owner went to the shop or something, or they got their own air compressor to put on the rims. It was over tightened, so anyway, we were having problem and struggling to remove it. So as you can see, I have that one over there, Pittsburgh Pro. That one is the torque wrench. So unfortunately, it was too tight and was too much torque. I tried to use that one, and unfortunately, it won't allow me to loosen up the lug nuts. So we tried this 4-way. This one has 4 different size of lug nuts, and unfortunately this one does not give us any leverage. So I also tried to use this one. This is the 1/2-inch ratchet. As you can see, this bar is too short, and when I try to take out the nut or loosen out the nut, it just won't budge too much. So those are the deep dish low profile rims. Well, except the top one. The top one is original Miata rim. So I was having kind of a little bit successful to remove with this impact driver from DeWalt, and that's only applied to the 3-nut bolt that was on the passenger side. And after that, I tried to remove on all the other 3 rims for the lug nuts, and unfortunately this thing failed. Okay, so with this one, you don't want to buy the cheap extension. So I'm going to show you guys what happened to this tool when we try to use this as an extension, and I'm going to open it up and show you guys what went wrong, or what went bad on this extension drive tool. So I tried to use this extension. Okay, and when we try to turn it, do too much force, and somehow it making a loud cracking noise, and look what happened. The tool broke off. So I guess it cannot handle the torque. It was too much force, so it broke off. So when you want to buy, this is the Craftsman. Okay, I bought this back in the 80s or 90s, and somehow when we bought the Miata, it came with this Husky. It's a 1/2-inch to 1/2-inch, so just enough to go to the nut so we could unscrew it. So even with this one, I cannot open it because we got the stronger extension. So while I try to use an impact driver, you loosen it up, but somehow with one of them, it broke up this cap right here. See that? Anyway, I'm going to show you guys what we did to get those rims or the wheels taken off successfully. So yeah, before I built like a closet extension for my wife's closet. So I remember I customized one of the metal tubing and become like a brake bar. So this is the metal tubing that I got. So I kind of smash it on this end to make it flatten. so I could insert the tools in here. And like this. I'm gonna put the deep socket, the right size. This is the one that we use. And attach to here. So you gotta put the socket in there. Make sure it's in all the way. And then you're gonna use this side, okay? Make sure your face is not in the way. In case you flick back and forth, you're gonna hit your chin or whatever, or your face. Be sure to wear a goggle and gloves. So we just go like this, bounce it up, 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 and just do it slowly. Eventually it's gonna break the lug nuts over there. You're gonna hear a crack, and then just do it slowly. And that's how I make my extension breaker bar, okay? So we got the rest of other 3 rims out without any issue. Well, actually all 4 of them, because the one on the front passenger right hand side, we already used the impact driver and somehow it loosened it up. Unfortunately, the rest of other lug nuts, it won't come out because it was too tight. So this is how I managed to remove those over tightened lug nuts. And hopefully this will help your friends or family members in case they run into this situation. So, oh yeah, be sure to use the 2x4 to put on the tire, and it depends on which direction you turn in the wrench. So if you're gonna loosen up the front, you're gonna put this in front of the tire. You're gonna do counterclockwise for the lug nut. So the wheel is gonna move forward, okay, or the tire. So you need to put this in the front. Somehow this car, the emergency brake was on, and then the car was rolling front or the back, because I'll probably need to adjust the emergency brake line cable. So that's why it's moving back and forth. So it's better to have this, and be sure to put on emergency brake all the way up so the car doesn't move forward or backward. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. And be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.